in Phoenix has issued a dust storm warning, which is in effect until 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time this evening. The blowing dust advisory is no longer in effect. Affected area, northwest and north central Pinal County, including Interstate 10 and Interstate 8. Timing, through 7 p.m. this evening. Winds, gusts of 30 to 40 miles per hour. Visibility, below 1/4 mile. Impacts, hazardous driving conditions from widespread blowing dust reducing visibility below 1 mile. Be ready for a sudden drop in visibility to near zero. If you encounter blowing dust or blowing sand on the roadway, or see it approaching, pull off the road as far as possible and put your vehicle in park. Turn the lights all the way off and keep your foot off the brake pedal. Remember, pull aside, stay alive. You are listening to NOAA Weather Radio KEC 94, Phoenix, Arizona, serving South Central.